is Shauna and Ben's documentary about remote controls.
This is a remote control. Often it goes missing. And then a lot of crazy things happen. When it does, we like to sing this song. This is one remote control, this is two, and when they go missing, lots of people shout like, Nanny! I can't find the remote control! Mum, tell Shauna to shut the fuck up! Can't you two leave a sick woman alone? Why I've got bronchitis, I don't know. Super Mario Run. Super Mario Run. Super Mario Run. So back to our documentary on remote controls. This is a remote control. Some people call them buttons, but which is correct? We shall answer that next time.